React.js Certification Training. React.js Introduction. React is a front-end library developed by Facebook. It is used for handling the view layer for web and mobile apps. React allows us to create reusable UI components. It is currently one of the most popular JavaScript libraries and has a strong foundation and large community behind it. React.js Certification. BTree Systems React certification course is given by experts with over 8 years to 10 years of expertise in the area. All of the fundamental React.js principles are covered in both online and offline courses. You will work on a variety of projects and exercises focused on the industry during this program to help you get real-world experience. React Native Developer. React Native Developer works with the React Native framework to create user interfaces for various platforms. The open-source UI software framework React Native was developed by Meta Platforms, Inc. It is commonly utilized in the creation of applications for Windows, iOS, macOS, Android, Android TV, tvOS, Web, and UWP. Who is React.js Developer? React.js developers utilize the React open-source library ecosystem to design and implement user interface components for JavaScript-based web and mobile apps. React.js Salary Packages. React Native Developer Salary Package. React Native mobile application developers in India often make an average beginning salary of 1.4 lakh rupees. 3 years of experience average salary of 3.2 lakhs with 4 to 9 years of experience earn an average salary of 10.1 lakhs per year. React.js Front-End Developer Salary Package. In India, the beginning salary for a React developer typically ranges from 2.0 lakhs to 16.7 Kelvin per month. 3 years of experience average salary of 4.9 lakhs with 4 to 9 years of experience earns an average salary of 9.8 lakhs per year.